All right, let's take a quick tour of our laundry area. So first thing when I come into the laundry area, I like to take a look at our laundry baskets as well as take a look at our towels in the cabinet, see how neat or what needs to be folded. So then now going back to our baskets, we have two types of baskets. We have one for our color towels or our dark color towels. Then we also have one for our white or our cleaning towels. So we can separate the two. Then we have our detergent here. Now detergent usually are ordered in kind of the ton size or extra large sizes. So it's like they had to fold it over. We've got a couple of scoopers in there. So let's take a look at our wash machine. So I'm going to throw some towels in to help with this demonstration. And so then now I want to get my detergent and I want to put it in the detergent tray here. It's right here in the center. That's right on top of the word detergent. This is where we'll put all our powder detergent in there. Any liquid detergent we want to place here in the little reservoir area there. So then now we want to go ahead and get started. So we want to make sure we select the power button. We want to hold it till we see the light come on. Then we have our options here. We have a power wash, normal, and there's other options. Generally, we look for ones that will clean it in a decent time. So we see here it says 122. Go to normal is 120. This machine weighs the towels and determines the time. So we want to make sure we hold it again till it lights up till we get started. So now we want to go over to our dryer. So our dryer, before we do any drying, we want to check our lint tray here. We want to make sure we remove this extra lint here because we don't want to cause any fires. So we want to make sure we remove most of this lint out of here. And you will find that the lint tray or screen will need to be checked quite frequently dealing with towels. So you can see there's a little clip there. You will clip it close and open. A little notch there to open and close it. And then we want to make sure the area that's actually got a little indentation is facing inside the dryer. So here's a little closer shot. And you see the little indent area is facing inside of the dryer. So we want to put it nice and snug. It should click right in place. So then now we want to put some towels in. Now, if it's freshly washed towels, we will put those in there, but you can actually put already some pre-washed towels and just if you want to warm them up, a little nice tip to treat your clients to a nice warm towel. So just like the washer, you want to make sure you hold the button till it lights up. We have various options. You see here we got the rapid and time dry. That would be ideal for when you just want to warm up some towels. You just want to give it a few seconds to warm up just to add a little bit of touch to your towels. Normally we choose between power or dry or normal, whichever one has better time, and we want to hold it till it lights up again. So now we're going to utilize this time to go ahead and show you how to properly fold a towel, or one of the ways to folding the towel. So this way I like to fold it horizontally, so basically the long way, fold it in half. Then we want to fold it half again, and then nice and neat. So this helps with this fold, helps with towels easy to stack inside the cabinets, and it also helps with when we want to create our steam towels, which I will demonstrate for you shortly. But as you see, with nice fold horizontally, fold again, and now we can stack it up into the cabinet. With this type of fold, again, it helps you get more towels in. It helps it nice and neat. So continue on with a tour of the rest of the laundry area. We have a few plastic containers that we use for cleaning some of our tools and implements. We use a ship shape to clean out our combs, some brushes. We also use that steam towel to warm up some towel just in case we need it. We're in a bind and we need a steam towel, which I'll talk about here shortly. But going back to that folded towel, you see I folded again twice horizontally, fold it over to like a hot dog bun, and then place it under the faucet here. And now it gives us a nice even saturation, and then it will unfold nice and easy for us whenever we're doing our razor shave or a head shave or facial. So we want to make sure we wring it out really well. All right, and we want to leave it twist it because we want to help that heat stay trapped in that towel. We want to turn it on, as well as our UV to help keep it sanitized. And then you could, some other notes here, some other things to do during our cleanup. We also have a first aid kit, and then the microwave. For anytime we need to do a quick warm up of towels, you only need about 45 seconds, or even less. So then we have some cleaning towels here that we use to clean up. They're usually our beat up towels that we use to turn into cleaning up. We use our ship shape here, as well as some Windex. Okay, we got plenty of extra towels here, beat up towels that we normally rotate over to this drawer here for our cleaning up. This is, again, just as a refresher, our basket for all of our cleanup towels, our white towels, our detergent, and that is our brooms. So that was a quick tour of our laundry area.